Hello friends! Is your car struggling with rough idling, poor acceleration, or maybe a sudden drop in fuel efficiency? If your scanner has thrown the P0404 error code, then you might have a faulty EGR, or exhaust gas recirculation system. Ignoring this issue can lead to increased emissions, engine knocking, and long-term damage to your engine. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0404 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. So, what is P0404? The P0404 code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation Circuit Range Performance. The EGR system helps lower engine temperatures and reduce those harmful NOx emissions by recirculating a portion of exhaust gases into the intake manifold. When the EGR valve movement is out of range or not functioning correctly, the ECU detects the issue and triggers the P0404 code. Common symptoms of P0404 include the check engine light being on, engine hesitation or stalling, decreased fuel efficiency, rough idling or misfiring, and increased emissions or a failed smog test. If you're facing these issues, the next step is to locate the EGR valve and sensors. The EGR valve and related sensors are typically found in these locations, near the intake manifold, close to the exhaust manifold, connected to the throttle body, or on the cylinder head. Important tip: the exact location depends on your car's make and model, so check your vehicle's service manual for accuracy. Now let's talk about the common causes of P0404. These include carbon buildup in the EGR valve, a faulty EGR valve that may be stuck open or closed, EGR position sensor failure, damaged wiring or poor electrical connection, and vacuum line leaks. Each of these can prevent proper operation and lead to the P0404 error. So, how do you fix the P0404 error code? Well, let's break it down step by step. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the error code and check for any related codes. Next, locate the EGR valve and sensors and inspect them for carbon buildup or damage. Then, clean the EGR valve and passages using an EGR cleaner or carbon remover. After that, check the EGR position sensor and replace it if it's faulty. Don't forget to inspect the wiring harness for any loose or corroded connections. Finally, reset the ECU with an OBD-II scanner and take the car for a test drive. Now, for some final words. The P0404 code can cause rough idling, power loss, and higher emissions, affecting your vehicle's overall performance. If your car is showing these symptoms, make sure to clean or replace the EGR valve and check the wiring. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0104, Mass Airflow Sensor Circuit Intermittent, and P0105, Manifold Absolute Pressure, MAP, Sensor Circuit Malfunction. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.